PV shaft is leaking. Oil seal. Damn it. Hi there, welcome back. This one is gonna be crazy because again I told you guys I can't find a seal for this car, and this is one of the seals I took out of the old diff just as a sample, not knowing. This was before the time that I realized, okay, it's gonna be really hard to find the seal. So Riaz at Jimmy's in Saudi State is going over and beyond trying to find the seal, and he can't even, the supply doesn't have stock. But anyways, this is a seal that doesn't, it's not the seal, but it's very, very close. Very, very close. I'm not sure where it comes from or what it comes out of, but it's so bloody close now. The outside diameter is 0.03 of a millimeter smaller, but the inside is perfect. So this might work. I'll have to put some sealant around the outside, but it might just work until I wait and get the part from Mercedes-Benz. This is gonna have to work. The outside is a bit rubbery plastic, but it is metal on the inside. This is gonna work. I mean, my old diff is here, and we put it up against the diff. It struggles to go in the hole. The hole's on the other side that it, but I mean, it looks like it'll fit because it goes in, but it doesn't slip in. I have to still heat it in. Okay, I did the same thing I did on the other side, where I take off all the bolts. The only problem here is the handbrake cable is like still holding it, but I did manage to pull the shaft out of the diff. You can see there at the back. So I need to pull that seal now. Get the other one in. Okay, so the seal, I just put some gasket seal on there. It does fit snug, but if I pull hard enough, it will come out again with my hand. So putting that in there just in case. And if you guys can see there now, but the other seal is in. A little bit of gasket seal, I wiped it to keep it clean there. And now I'm gonna put the shaft in.
Tomorrow for sure.
Yeah, bro, still leaking. Oh man. Leaking worse than before. Hey. Look who's coming in clutch with the seal, man. Look who's coming. Riaz, Jimmy's, if you need parts, you must come, bro. This man organized me hard. Not even Mercedes-Benz can organize me so hard. They tell me it's my 10 days. But Mercedes-Benz tell me 10 days. Riaz said, no, don't worry. You know? Yeah, so Jimmy's coming in hard clutch, guys. If you need anything, I've gone to Jimmy's for years and years and years to get spares, oil, whatever you need, odds and ends at the spare shop, go to Jimmy's. Very big supporter of the channel also. Thank you to Riaz there. He organized it from Mercedes-Benz.
3 days later.
Okay, so finally going into the new seal. Took the other one out now, the one that's barely fits. I'm gonna put in the new one. So it's over there, super tight. So yeah, that's gonna take some persuasion. So I put in the new seal, and this is the first time driving since I put it in. I'm actually gonna take a far trip, trusting myself. So we're gonna see if it did work. I'm gonna drive a little bit of a trip and then see if it stopped leaking. I really hope that stopped the leaking, because I bought an original seal from Mercedes-Benz. So yeah, it's all up to how I put it in. I guess I put it in as gently as I possibly could have put it in. I couldn't have put it in any more like seductively and smoothly than I have, because that was the smoothest anyone has put any seal in. I took my time putting that in. So it took me like 2 hours to do the job. It took me about an hour just to put it in nicely. Also, there has to be recess, and I didn't want to use an old seal to hit it in, so I used a piece of wood with like a point at it, and I hit it just in between the little lip and the seal and the metal, and slowly went around and hitting it in, because I don't have a socket big enough to hit it in. But yeah, okay, so let's just take a nice drive now. Out today is nice and sunny. It's Tuesday, 1st of August. Yeah, it's August, spring. Is it spring? I don't know. Anyways, so let's just take a drive, and then I'll take you with me with a video underneath the car to see what's stop leaking. Okay, I'm gonna check now. Give you a second. Oh, it's dry. It's dry, folks. Yes.
That's what she said.